If your pool vacuum hose is leaking air and killing your suction, you gotta fix that fast or your cleaning game is totally off. So first, check the hose for any obvious cracks or holes. Sometimes it's just a small tear that's easy to patch up. If you spot a hole, grab some waterproof tape or a patch kit made for pool hoses and seal it tight. Make sure all the connections between the hose and vacuum head or skimmer are snug, cause loose fittings let air in and mess with suction. If that doesn't work, try submerging the hose in water and look for bubbles. That's where the air's coming in. Sometimes the hose just gets old and brittle, so replacing it might be the easiest move. When you replace, pick a hose that matches your vacuum's size and length to avoid new leaks. Keep your hose coiled properly when not in use to stop kinks that can cause cracks. Lastly, store your hose out of direct sunlight to prevent damage from UV rays. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool vacuum hose air leaks is ignoring small cracks until suction gets really bad. Fix the little stuff early with a patch kit or tape. Another is using the wrong hose size, which causes poor connections and leaks. Always double check hose diameter and length before buying. The third common issue is not tightening hose clamps or fittings properly, so air sneaks in at joints. Just tighten clamps or swap out worn ones to keep everything sealed up. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix things like pool vacuum hoses without wasting time or money. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with real customers looking for their skills, making it easier to get work done right and fast.